QuantiQuik Histamine Quick Test Strips, a video tutorial brought to you by the Technical Support Group of BioAssay Systems. The Technical Support Group of BioAssay Systems would like to offer our users a brief video tutorial in the use of our QuantiQuik Histamine Quick Test Strips. The first step in the use of our QuantiQuik Histamine Quick Test Strips is sample preparation. There are two main uses of the QuantiQuik Histamine Quick Test Strips: seafood analysis and red wine analysis. First, let's go over the sample preparation for seafood analysis. The user will need a tube of sufficient size to hold the extraction buffer and the sample to be analyzed. The user adds 500 microliters or 0.5 milliliters of extraction buffer to the tube. Next, the user will add a 500 milligram sample of the material to be analyzed to the extraction buffer. Now the user needs to homogenize the tissue in extraction buffer. This can be accomplished by finely chopping and mashing up the tissue and shaking the sample vigorously, or with a tool such as a dance homogenizer. Next, the user needs to centrifuge the sample for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the sample. The user then transfers the clarified supernatant to a fresh tube for analysis. Now we'll go over the procedure for preparing red wine for analysis. First, the user transfers 400 microliters or 0.4 milliliters of red wine to a fresh tube. Now the user adds 40 milligrams of polyvinyl polypyrrolidone or PVPP to the red wine sample and shakes the sample with the PVPP for 5 minutes. After shaking the sample for 5 minutes, the user centrifuges the sample for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the user transfers 200 microliters of the clarified sample to a fresh tube and adds an additional 200 microliters of sample extraction solution to the sample. Now it is ready for analysis. The user is now ready to analyze the sample for histamines. To do this, the user immerses the strip in the sample for 5 seconds. Full color development takes 5 minutes. Now compare your fully developed QuantiQuik Histamine Quick Test Strip with the color chart for the quantification of histamine in your sample. Thank you for watching our brief tutorial on QuantiQuik Histamine Quick Test Strips from the BioAssay Systems Technical Support Group.